Racing just is started with Magnolia. Break quickly start. Ako ngayon, moving up na Warriors. Riziamo, Pamilya, Quantum Lady, Virtual Angel comes next. Lim Grand Story, rushing up is Silver Ridge. The next online is Security Rose. Alongside now is Wonderlab. Wabi Sabi, Abateka comes next. Then followed by entry number 1. And this one is Best Kept Secret. High in Action. Second last, while New Dawn is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have ako ngayon by about 2 lengths. And in second is Yamo Pamilya. Silver Ridge is racing in third. Moving up on the outside now is Virtual Angel. Quantum Lady comes next. Wonderlab is running by the rail. Lim Grand Story. Magnolia comes next. Security Rose, Best Kept Secret. Abateka, then next online is Wabi Sabi, and New Dawn, well, High in Action, now racing in 14th, another 4th turn, we have ako ngayon, moving up na Warrior outside is Wonderlab, and I'm saying it's my turn to take the lead. We have Wonderlab with a breakaway run by about 2 lengths, or ako ngayon in second, Siamo Pamilya is on the outside third, with about 150 meters more to run. We have Wonderlab away by about 8 lanes. Over ako ngayon, running by the Abateka. And finally, Wonderlab. Second is Abateka. Ako ngayon, Magnolia close. Virtual Angel and Siamo Pamilya.
Binanggit siya, Magno.